Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 10. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter a wallet and go to View Wallet. As you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, check quick tips, manage your passes, add new passes to your account and go to menu. From the menu you can manage your Google account, check all wallet tips, manage tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords saved to your Google account. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you've got access to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.